Welcome back to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see a modularization technique. In the previous lecture, we have seen table maintenance generator. So let us first see agenda. We are going to see what is modularization and different modularization techniques. So very first, let us see modularization. So modularization, it is a process of breaking large programs into a smaller and manageable one to understand the programs and for reusability of a program into another programs. Modularization techniques are used for avoiding the duplicate codes and also using a modularization technique. The structure of an code can be improved and it is used to simplify the debugging process. Thereafter, let us see the different modularization techniques, which include program, then function module, and subroutine. Very first, let us see include program. Program, it is a technique of a modularization which used to split large programs into a smaller one and a manageable one. And whenever a include statement is found into the program, it inserted. Like include program get inserted whenever we find an include statement into the program. So the second one technique is a modularization technique. This technique is used for reusability of a code into different programs, and it can also remotely and support execution of handling, and it can run independently. And the third one technique is a subroutine. In the subroutine technique, we can encapsulate and reuse the part of a code within the same program or between the different programs. And there are two different types of subroutines, like a local subroutine and global subroutine. So this is all about various modularization techniques and what is a modularization. Also, this is also the most important question. Basically, usually a interviewer asks about a modularization definition and different modularization techniques. So yes, thanks for watching.